Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will explain Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra widget settings for the home screen. So, in this video, I will explain how to add widget to home screen, how to remove widget from the home screen, how to add your favorite widget like a weather widget, clock widget, and any other widget. Also, you can add your own photo as a widget on your home screen. So, let's see. Stay and connect with us. At the end, I will explain all the details. To add widget to the home screen, first of all tap and hold the black space on home screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. At the bottom end you can find the widgets option on your phone. Tap on it. Here you can see the by default available like a sleep, image and story, upcoming events, daily activity you can add. You can also here you can see the search option to search the widget. Also you can see the list of widget list like a now brief, battery, calendar, camera, Google Chrome, clock, contact, device care, digital well-being, expert row, Facebook gallery, Gemini, Google, Good Lock, Google Health, interpreter, magnifier, maps. So you can find the list of different widgets on your Samsung device. To add widget, let's see first of all how to add widget to your home screen. Like here we select the battery widget to my home screen. So tap on it. You can see the list of different battery status widget. So here first we select this option. Just tap on the widget you want to add to home screen. Tap on add button and you can see add widget to home screen. Here you can adjust the size by moving it like this on your device, small like this on your device. To customize it, just long press the widget. Just long press the widget and you can see the option create track, remove or setting option. Tap on the settings. Now here you can see background. Just disable this option. You can enable, disable, change the shape also of widget on your Samsung device like this. Here at the bottom you can set the background color for match font setting, light or dark. Here you can see changes. You want to set light. Here we select the match font setting. Also increase or decrease the transparency like this. You want on your widget on your home screen. Also disable background option if you want. This is all option for the widget settings on your device. Next, if you want again go to widget settings. Now add multiple widget. Here we add the clock on my home screen. Here you can't see the home screen clock on your Samsung device. So to add clock widget to home screen, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on the widgets. Here you can find the clock option or search directly clock here. So tap on a clock. Now here you can see the alarm, analog clock, digital clock, dual clock also if you want to set a two country clock, two region. So here we select the dual clock, like tap on this option. So tap on add option. Now add a clock to the home screen. You can adjust the size like this. Follow the same setting, just long press it to tap on settings. Here you can select first city, second city if you want to set. Here will be set the New Delhi and London. So you can change the city here. Also enable or disable this background bar. To enable, disable day and night color. If you want to select the manually, you need to first turn off the background option on your device. To see the available option on this, also set the transparency on your phone. Tap on the save button to save it. Let's see if you want to set your gallery photo on the widget bar every time when you lock your phone, unlock your device. So tap and hold the blank space. Tap on a widgets. Now here you can find the image and story. If you can't find it, scroll down until the photos option on your device. So tap on a photo. Here you can find people and pets or this week 1 year ago your memories, two option available. So here we select people and pets. Tap on add button. Now here you can see more photos of people and pets are needed to set up widget. Okay. So make sure you need to add photo, allow permission on your device. So first of all we go to widget again. Now select image and story. Here we select image and story. Tap on add button. Now tap on the widget on your device. Now select album, select images. So here we select the images option. Now here we select one or two photos, multiple photo. So here we select all this photo. Now tap on the done option. Now you can see set photo on your home screen. You can move it, also long press it and move it to home screen. Also increase the size so you can easily check on your Samsung device. When you lock your phone or unlock it, you can see it will change automatically on your device. To also change setting, long press it, tap on the settings. Here you can select image to show, 5 image selected, display method, center and fill widget, fit to widget like this, or a straight to fit widget like this on your device. You can set. So here we select fit to this, switch to fit widget. Now tap on the save button. Now you can see the widget. You can show your own photo on the home screen widget. So this is all about the widget settings. If you want to remove it, just a long press the widget you want to remove, tap on a remove option. Now here you can find the stack option on audio device. Like when you long press the widget, you can see the create stack. So tap on this option and only widget that are the same size, or so make sure the same size are available on a widget to create the stack photo on your device. Here you can also see the direct notification on your specific settings on your device. So it's quite easy to add or remove the widget from the home screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So which is your favorite widget and which widget you add to home screen on your Samsung device? If you want to add widget to the lock screen, you can also add by tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Tap on the lock screen wallpaper. Now here you can find the option add widgets on your lock screen. So tap on the add widgets option here. So now you can see the list of detail: battery, calendar, camera, clock. So here add the battery on my battery status. Now we also add the clock, like now we select the gallery, image and story photo. Now also we select the interpreter to conversation mode. In conversation mode, to here we select the conversation mode. So you can, here you can see the widgets are full, so you can add the widget. Now here tap on a done option at the top right corner. Now changes apply to lock screen on your device. Now lock your Samsung phone and you can see two widgets add to the lock screen. You can also remove it. Just unlock your device, tap in the blank space, wallpaper and style, lock screen wallpaper. Here you can find the minus icon, tap on it. So here you can see the minus icon to remove from the lock screen widget on your Samsung device. So tap on the minus icon to remove widget from the lock screen and tap on a done. So it's quite easy to add or remove widget from the home screen and lock screen on your latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device using this video. That's it. If you like it, share it.